Our first tool that we use to make rough lumber, S4S or surface 4 sides, is the radial arm saw. Our radial arm saw sits in the center of our shop across from the lumber room. This tool is used to roughly cross-cut material to a nominal size as we begin our milling process. Let's start with a basic introduction to the components of our tool. In this photo, we're looking down on the radial arm saw. Basic components here that I want to emphasize are the red table and the oak wood fence in the table that is perpendicular to the blade. Next is the handle. The handle is located beneath the on-off power button and should be grasped with your right hand when operating this tool. Next is the power button. The power button is located above the handle and is a pull start, push stop. When operating this tool, you will use your left hand to turn on and off the machine. When we use this tool to cross-cut material, all the material that we're planning on cutting needs to be supported against the fence where the blade crosses, as shown here. If we pull the handle located beneath the power button, the tool will come out across the fence and across the tabletop. Now that we have the basic components, let's talk about safe operation. Your right hand is going to hold the handle. It is your left hand that is going to turn the machine on and turn the machine off, remembering that it is a pull start, push stop. First thing we're going to do is place the board against the fence where the blade crosses, as shown here. With the board resting against the fence, the operator must first grab the handle with her right hand. Left hand is going to turn the machine on and then support the board against the fence. Your right hand will now pull the machine across the board, making the crosscut safely. Once the crosscut is completed, the machine goes back and the left hand turns the tool off. Let's watch the same clip, except now in a slower speed. The material is resting against the fence, and the operator holds the machine back, grasping the handle with her right hand. Her left hand now pulls the power button, turning the machine on. After that, the left hand goes down to hold the material against the fence as the right hand pulls the saw across the material to make a crosscut. Now that you have safely completed a crosscut, you have made one piece into two pieces. The final component here is that whatever piece you have cut in half, you do not reach under the guard or in the line of the blade to remove what's called your offcut. No matter how big or small your offcut is, take another piece of material and knock it out from under the guard. If your offcut is not that large, it's okay to take it and place it into one of the garbage cans to be sorted later. Otherwise, it should go into the lumber room.